Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to go over how to factory reset a Roku. If you have one that's been sitting on a shelf or somebody gave you a Roku, I just want to show you how to factory reset it, and then it'll be ready to make your own. I'll cover in the next video programming and setting up the Roku. So we're just going to look at how to factory reset it. It's very simple. You're going to find the settings menu. You're going to go to System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. It tells you to enter the code down at the bottom, in this case 3017. And then hit OK. And that's all there is to it. It's now ready to use and reprogram to your user settings. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Any other questions you have, leave them in the comments down below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.